Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Facebook and you can click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Facebook. Then you can uninstall app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your